Today's lesson is going to be today's lesson is going to be about today's lesson is going to be today's lesson is going to be about today's lesson is going to be about more consonant sounds, how to blend them with the vowels and the symbols to represent them in order to write them down. The first consonant sound we're going to take a look at is the k sound. So if you put together the k sound with the vowels, the outcome would be like ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, a, ka, e, ke, i, ki, o, ko, u, ku, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. The next, by the way, there are several ways to write down these sounds. So you're going to see over here the way to write them down, but the sound is the same always. There's the next consonant sound we're gonna see is the r. There's one symbol, but that symbol could represent a strong sound or a weak sound. The strong sound goes like rrr, 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 and the weak goes like blended with the vowels sounds like ra, re, ri, ro, ru, or ra, re, ri, ro, ru, 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 ra, re, ri, ro, ru. If we flip the order, the sounds would be ar, er, ir, or, ur, or ar, er, ir, or, ur. And the next is the it's like breathing out. A, ha, e, he, I, he, o, ho, u, hu, ha, he, ho, hu. And if you flip the order, the sounds would be ah, eh, ich, oh, and the next is the v, and it goes like va, ve, vi, vo, vu, or av, ev, iv, ov, u. The next is the G. G sound. And when you blend it with the vowels, it sounds like ja, je, ji, yo, you. There's two ways or two symbols to represent this sound. You will see them over here. Um, the ha, the sound, has another symbol to represent them, and it is the ga. No. The next symbol is the g. It's kind of hard to say by itself, but when you use it with vowels, it's easier. So the g sound with the vowels sounds like ga, ga, ge, gi, go, gu. The way to write down or the symbols to represent the ge and gi sounds is special, because if you do it without the u, it would sound like he, he, not ge, gi instead. So again, ga, ge, gi, go, gu, not ga, he, go, gu. Okay? And the next sound is the ch, ch. And it goes like cha, che, chi, cho, chu. We are about to end because there's 2 more to go, and those are all the sounds we have in Spanish. The ñ, this one is weird, ñ, but I think it's going to be easier if we use it with the vowels. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Yes, it's kind of weird, even for me. So again, ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. And the last consonant sound is the try to put the tip of your tongue under your upper teeth and blow. And the sounds with the vowels goes like tha, fe, fi, tho, thu. Or if we flip the order, the sounds would be like ath, eth, ith, oth, uth. That's it for today, and these are all the sounds we have in Spanish to speak, basically.